अभी बज रहे हैं it's 5:55 in the morning, and as you know, I'm in Delhi airport, waiting for my next flight. If you notice, there are some sleeping beds as well. So if you want to sleep, if you have a transit time of some times, you can easily sit here, and people get sleeps here are people who are actually sleeping. सिंपल सबसे पहले अपडेट ये कि एयरपोर्ट पे ही लाइट चली गई और मेरी सीट थी 22B, यानी मुझे बीच में बैठना था। और वहाँ पे गाउन लगाते हैं और मतलब वो कंटिन्यूसली लगाना पड़ता है, मास्क लगाना पड़ता है, जो मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है। मैंने तो उनको कह दिया कि मुझे वो चीज़ पसंद नहीं है, तो प्लीज़ चेंज माई सीट। So the kind guy, very kind guy, he changed my seat. He gave me the other seat. Of course, window seat तो नहीं दे पाया। शायद अगर window seat देता मुझे Welcome back, guys. I have reached my destination here. It's Srinagar, and there are a lot of crowd today. I'm not sure about why these people are around me here. So I have called someone, they will come, but what I have to do here is I'll just keep it standing. This is the view around me. Can you see it? Yeah. So I have the only hot thing here right now with me. The temperature is a little cold, but it is not so cold that I was expecting. It is fine, absolutely fine. Sometimes you get a morning. These guys have actually come, and they have actually made me wait for so long. This guy has actually come to me. It's my favorite. अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
हेलो ब्रदर, कैसे हो? ठीक हो?
कैसे हो?
चल बेटा अब बाहर निकलो। मैं बोले कि बुरा तुझे जो ना तब खुपो एक ड्रामा को
एना बस एक ही प्यार में आती बात और ये किसान कंफ्यूजन भइल।
गाड़ी वहां पे रखे हम।
कहां पे? किस है? उस कोने में।
और क्या?
अब मैं
बहुत छोटे नहीं अंदर।
अब यहीं से तो आना आपको, मैं यहीं पे वेट करता हूं।
हां वही बात है, आपको ये अब तो निकलना ही है।
ठीक है परफेक्ट। The beauty of Kashmir, first of all, you will get a cold as soon as you come, and second thing is people are careless. You need to be very careful, and they will stare at you what you are holding. That's the other part of this whole journey. Let's see how people will react. For me it is also one of the obstacle to hold camera in front of the people. Let's see how I can overcome this obstacle for me. And I don't know whether Pia has only come and some other people has also come. Let me see who has come again. Finally we met all the people here. So we have a Salman here, we have a Pia here, but I mean Salman was not allowed obviously because of some security reasons. Only one person was allowed. Now Pia ne gaadi andar li thi, and then we met all the guys. So we are right now heading to home, and then we will see the reaction of all the people there, especially.
Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.